Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Judgment in cards. First, let's set up the game. You'll need a standard 52 card deck, and 3 to 7 players can join. The dealer gives 1 card to each player in the first round. In subsequent rounds, the number of cards dealt increases by 1, up to a maximum of 10 cards per player. The objective is to correctly predict your trick count. Once the cards are dealt, the bidding begins. Starting with the player to the dealer's left, each person declares how many tricks they believe they will win. Your bid can be anywhere from 0 up to the total number of cards you received in that round. A crucial rule is that the dealer's final bid cannot make the total number of all bids equal the number of cards dealt for that specific round. This ensures someone will always be off their bid. Now let's play some tricks. The player to the dealer's left starts by leading any card. Subsequent players must follow the suit if they have one. If not, they can play any card, including a trump. The highest card of the suit led wins the trick, unless a trump card is played. The last card dealt from the deck before bidding establishes the trump suit for that entire round. The winner of a trick leads the next. Scoring is straightforward. If you successfully take exactly the number of tricks you bid, you earn 10 points plus an additional point for each trick you won. However, if you take more or fewer tricks than your bid, you lose 1 point for every trick you were off. The game usually lasts for a predetermined number of rounds, often 10, or until a player reaches a specific score. The player with the highest total score at the end is the winner.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.